How's it going, everyone? Today we're going to do a quick little review of these GE LED light bulbs. These are 60 watt soft white A19 light bulbs. This certain one came in a 6-pack, but they offer different varieties and count, so make sure you check out to see what works best for you. Now, these products feature a worry-free use and disposal, mercury-free, as well as they last 13 years. You can save up to $82 in energy savings per bulb over that 13 years, and they are 2700K soft white. These are also dimmable, so that is super useful when using these in your house. Now, these are a general purpose light bulb for indoor use. They are A19 shape and size, and they contain a medium base. On the box, you're going to find cautions and warnings, as well as information about the product itself. Now, at a glance, the light bulb itself is very quality. The top and bottom of it are made out of plastic with the metal cap or threads on the bottom. Now, you don't have to worry about dropping these, and they will not break, and you also don't have to worry about mercury or any other gases inside these light bulbs because they are LED. Now, as you can see, this is them installed and lit up in our bathroom. This 800 lumens is a perfect brightness for these lights in our bathroom. I don't feel like it's too dark, and the quality soft white really does well. Thanks for watching this video. I hope it helped.